Welcome to our comparison of two popular foot massagers, the MOUNTRAX foot massager and the Medcursor foot massager. Both devices promise to deliver relief from foot pain and fatigue, but they cater to different needs and budgets. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for you. Let's get started. The MOUNTRAX foot massager is priced at $179, making it a premium option for those seeking advanced features and customization. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager is significantly more affordable at $69, appealing to budget-conscious consumers. This price difference reflects the varying levels of technology and features offered by each product. When it comes to customization, the MOUNTRAX model shines with its 16 adjustable modes and remote control, allowing for a highly personalized massage experience. On the other hand, the Medcursor offers only 3 settings and lacks a remote, which may limit user convenience. This difference can significantly impact your overall satisfaction with the massage experience. Another important factor to consider is foot size accommodation. The MOUNTRAX foot massager is designed for feet up to size 12, while the Medcursor can accommodate larger feet up to size 13. This makes the Medcursor a more versatile option for users with bigger feet, ensuring comfort during use. In conclusion, both the MOUNTRAX and Medcursor foot massagers offer unique benefits tailored to different user needs. The MOUNTRAX is ideal for those seeking a premium, customizable experience, while the Medcursor provides excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Whichever you choose, both models aim to deliver relief from foot pain and enhance your relaxation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.